So let's begin with the Face ID and fingerprint sensor, Xiaomi Mi 10. Nice, very fast. Let's go with the fingerprint sensor. So you just tap over here. It's really accurate and fast, one of the fastest in the world, I have to admit. Let's try again. Check this out, again. So the fingerprint sensor mark will appear itself after just locking the screen in half second or so, something like that. So you can see myself very fast, completely satisfied with the in-display fingerprint sensor with the Xiaomi Mi 10. Face ID and fingerprint sensor do work flawlessly in just. Maybe the Face ID needs a little bit of the optimization regarding the screen wake up time, but the fingerprint sensor, in-display fingerprint sensor is really impressive so far after the updates. Let's continue next. Thank you, Xiaomi.